welcome back sa aking channel. So for today's vlog, andito kami ngayon sa Doha Port, Mina District. So meron ditong events, Kite Festival 2025. So dito po ini-held sa Doha Port. So until Saturday po mga lalab. So try namin ngayon. So maganda po yung weather, hindi mahangin. Baka hindi na makalipad yung kites. No wind, no kites. So andito na busy-busy na mga lalabs. Tingnan niyo, puno na po yung parking. Oh my goodness. Basta may events dito or weekend, kahit walang events, grabe dito yung mga tao. Mostly dito pumupunta. So nagpipiknik. Ayan, kasi maganda naman talaga yung ano dito eh. View. So let's see kung may kites ba. So ayan mga lalabs, andito na naman ako sa Doha Port. Pabalik-balik na lang. So ngayon, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga giant kites na yan. So ngayon mga lalabs, malapit na tayo sa mga kites. Pero gusto ko talaga yung ano pa, yung medyo dark na ngayon eh.
Baranya mura.
Muntik na mga lalabs. Wala talagang pakialam dito pag nagda-drive yung iba. So kahit anong careful natin, yung iba hindi wala silang pakialam talaga. So ngayon madilim na, medyo madilim na. Bakit na ako nagsuot ng sunglass? Wala na daw sun. No sun, no sunglass. Wala, gusto ko lang. Wala na traffic na. Puno na ng sasakyan dito mga lalabs.
Open here so people can park here. So
sunset na mga lalabs. Sunset. Stuck na tayo dito sa traffic. So mas traffic pag Friday or bukas kasi Thursday. So dito pupunta mga tao. Lalo na kasi winter. Lahat ng tao lumalabas.
From Pakistan,
Mga kites, mga lalabs. Paso ano eh. Parang wala na kaming parkingan. So grabe yung traffic mga lalabs. Mga tao. Wala kami ma-parkingan, so hindi na ako bababa. Babalik ako dito ng Friday kasi until Saturday naman. Grabe. I think the car only you cannot go there. No, it's not allowed there. No cars, I think.
There is maybe parking for valet parking.
Hello kites! Wala nang parking kites. Balik kami mga lalabs kasi wala talagang maparkingan. Grabe. So ngayon is 5 PM. So mag-start kasi yung Kite Festival is 3 PM. Pero Friday and Saturday mag-start ng 10 AM. So Friday punta kami dito ng morning. Diba? Ang ganda ng sunset mga lalabs.
Try to park here and walk. I don't know why they're not open this parking.
It's not parking.
It's parking.
It's park, but I don't know.
Yeah, you can park here. They can make parking for the people. They know the event.
Grove. So, mga sasakyan papunta pa doon na wala nang mapaglagyan kasi doon puno na. Saan? So, where do you go?
There.
Now, let's go on Friday. We come back here on Friday. So, yun lang mga lalabs. Nag-try kami dito sa Kite Festival pero walang maparkingan. Tingnan nyo naman. Grabe. Grabe. Mga tao.
Maafi parking. Maafi parking.
Maafi parking. Sobra. Sobra. 5
these bastards will pray that time.
Oh, tingnan nyo. Dito pa lang, puno na. So where you park here? Even you park here, there is no chance to park here. It's full. Everywhere. Everywhere. Everywhere in this world. Everywhere. How many thousand people here? Millions of people. Indian, Pakistan, Filipino. Grabe. Basta may events dito sa Doha, walang papalagpasin ng mga tao. Oo. Uy, Dudong!
Mau, mau.
Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Even here. Everywhere. So you can have chance to park everywhere. You park. Oh, even there you park.
No,
It's parking there.
It's my phone.
Oh sure. Other people park there and
They're walking.
walk there. It's too far.
In
to
such
walk.
least people should have bring car, a small bus or something to drop.
Yeah. Cannot do that.
Here,
It's
very
free.
too much parking. But you will walk 2 days.
No, it's very far. I don't want to walk too much far. La 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 la. Going home. Close. Oh my goodness. So, yun lang mga lalabs. Uwi na kami. At least nakakita ako ng mga kites. I saw already kites. Ano naman pambata ba, pero maganda din tingnan. Nakakaaliw din. So thank you so much. So ayan lang, share ko for today's video. Traffic. Ayan. So dito sa Doha Port. Bye! See you next video. Bye! Thank you so
You
much.
go this side and you will go that. It's fucking great.